Myself Ushasri. Our subject is Social Studies, Class 4, 5th lesson, the Southern Plateaus and the Islands. Today we are going to learn about the Southern Plateaus. Hello children. As we know, there are different landforms on the earth. Already we learned in previous classes landforms like mountains, plains. Today we are going to learn about the plateaus. Plateaus are the flat top and steep sides. They are tablelands like this, uneven. They are also called tablelands. Today we are going to learn about the Southern Plateaus. Southern Plateaus are the south side of the northern plains. They are in triangular shape. There are different, they are in triangular shape. Our Southern Plateau is like a triangular shape. So these plateaus are different forms and they are rocky and their surface is so rocky. The Narmada river divides the central plateau in two parts. The central highlands are surrounded by Aravali Hills, Chota Nagpur Plateau, Vindhya Range, towards the Rajmahal Hills. Thank you.